So how has the mentorship helped me with my clinical confidence is really, it's made everything a lot more simple in my mind, and it's helped me deal with sort of more complex cases on a simpler scale. So I'm able to see things differently now that with the help that I've learned from Dave and Shane in the program.
Yeah, so I found the mentorship to be really useful and really good for my confidence so far. So I found that when treating patients, I definitely feel that the structure of the program has really helped, that I feel I know where I'm going with each patient, which has really been great from that point of view.
Okay, the mentorship has helped my confidence by just giving me a clearer path. You know, initially when I came out of college, my orthopedic testing, I was getting a lot of positives. I was being led down roads that I didn't necessarily need to go down. With this system, now that I'm using Dave's or the ProSport system, it's just a much clearer path.
It's really helped my confidence. I was always confident in my treatment and my results, but it's given me that clarity and confidence that I know exactly where I'm going to go next with my client, no matter who it is. Any person that walks in the door, I know that I have the tools to be able to treat them and help them. So it's been huge in that regard.
So the mentorship has helped me by meaning I've got the means of a bit more of a structure to go through in my assessment. It's kind of simplified it a little bit, because sometimes I think when I was starting, I was nearly trying to do 20 or 30 tests, and then you're getting a bit of a positive here and there, but it didn't really guide me towards what I then needed to do for my treatments. I think the mentorship for me has simplified my structure a little bit. It's kind of given it more of a flow through what I'm doing from that assessment into, okay, how is this going to help with my treatment? And then from that treatment, that reassessment process again, so that you're not kind of treating and then just going on and not thinking, well, did that actually do anything? I think now with the mentorship, if I try and change something, I'm better going back and assessing, has that actually done anything? Has that changed what I'm doing? Is it going to then lead into what am I doing next? So I think it is more about that structure, simplified it a little bit, and just has given me then more confidence of like, well, this is what I'm finding. I'm going to test that. Okay, I'm not seeing a change there, so what else could it be? So it kind of pinpoints you towards a few different areas. You can test that, see if it makes a change. If it doesn't, right, go, okay, well, what is the other thing that could impact on that? So it kind of gives more routine to it, I think.
I feel the minute someone makes contact with me, I have a step-by-step basis. You know, I know where it's going to hopefully end if they come on board, but then I can break it down into steps. Maybe instead of just from before being a bit nervous that I didn't know what the final outcome would be and where would I get them, but I definitely think there's a lot of clarity, in my plans, in my assessments of the person, and definitely engaging with people too and making them feel confident in you, which is a big thing, I think, really.
Okay, so I've thought about this a bit. How it's helped me with my confidence is I have the tools, okay, but they weren't coming together. I wasn't able to bring them together, and I suppose the mentorship has just allowed me to bring everything together. It's like, I can't describe it. If you've got a couple of, it's like a broken link, okay? If you have a broken link, and just the mentorship is that full link, it brings it all together. It's just a seamless, from start to finish, you're just a complete professional therapist in what you're doing.
My confidence was starting out was pretty low, and when I joined the mentorship, it was a big step going forward. So now I set up my own clinic, and I'm out there. I have clients coming in. I have confidence in a progression plan for each individual to go by, and you can have help with the lads with feedback, and you can ask them questions if you're unsure of something. That's really in particular to a client, that you can go and ask the lads that, and you're confident in doing it and you're confident talking to your patient with it.
Mentorship has helped me massively with my confidence in I suppose, exactly what I wanted to get out of it. It just gave me some reassurance. I felt like there there was always somebody there to help. If I ever felt that there was something I couldn't figure out myself, there was always somebody there to help me along. And from that then I've learned so much, and the confidence I've got from it is unbelievable. I feel now that I'm one of the top physios in my area because of the mentorship.